method like this, then you don't have any choice. Okay, so you have to choose it according to the given things. Okay, so let's just start. So first, let's just start with the national, and I don't know where my PDFs are gone. They are. I'm not getting in. Okay, now this is income method. Okay, so very, very, very important and very easy one. Okay, income method. So in this method, we first estimate the factor income paid that is distributed. Income means that it's, for example, you earn the profit, you will be giving the benefit to others as well. So first of all, you should know that what are the factors income, from where you are getting the money, right? It's not obvious because this is, you are calculating national income. So it's not like, for example, I am a teacher. So that doesn't mean everyone in the economy is a teacher. Some will be getting money from, this businessman, some will be doctors, some will be the government officials, like this. So first of all, you should know the factor income, the who are the owner of factor of production by various industrial sector. Then the sum of such factor equals to net value added to the factor cost NVAC by that sector. Then we have to do the sum of NVACs by all the sector, arrived at NDP at FC, and the components of NDP at FC. These are you in case you have to find the national income. Then over here, first of all, you should know that whatever is being produced in the economy, which is NDP at FC. So this is what compensation of employee, okay, which is COE, right? In COE, so this is a formula, okay? COE plus rent and royalty plus interest plus profit plus mixed income. So compensation of employee. Now over here, what is the method? Income method. That means from where you are getting the money. So it can be compensation of employee. Like I'm an employee, I'm working somewhere. Over there, I'll get the money. And I get the different types of money. Like I'll get the wage, I'll get some my salary, I'll get some compensation, like this. First, rent and royalty. So over here, I have given someone my land and they are working over there. So in return, they'll give me the rent, right? Interest, I have given someone loan. In return, I'm getting the interest. Profit, I have a business and I'm getting the profit, right? And mixed income, like I'm a self-employed person. I have mixed income, like sometimes I face loss, sometimes I get profit. So all this. So these are the only method from where you will get income. There is no other method from where you will get income. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now over here, so in this compensation of employee, so when you are getting the question now over here, you won't be getting a direct question that okay, this is compensation of employee. Just add all this and get the answer. You have to find what is compensation of employee. So let's just start. So compensation of employee is defined as a total remuneration of cash or in kind payable by the enterprises to the employee in return of the work done later during the accounting year. So it includes wages and salary in cash, right? So it means basically cash means, for example, I'm working and in return I'm getting the money, right? So this is what, right? Over here, it can include your house rent, convenience allowance, anything, right? But it's like wages and salary in cash you are getting, right? But apart from this, you get wages and salary in kind. For example, I'm working somewhere and I got a bonus, right? My salary is 1 lakh rupees. But during the festive season, I got this, maybe during New Year, I just got this compensation of I just got this 5,000 rupees bonus. So that 5,000 doesn't mean that I worked extra hours for that. That is basically the wages and salaries I got in kind, right? Sometimes it's like they are giving you, sometimes the companies give the free accommodation to the employees. So that is basically kind. It's not like they're working, that's why they are getting it. It's basically the kind. The vehicle for the personal use. I just gave you a car that you can do up and down the office through this car. So they are wages and salaries in kind. Clear? So if instead of COE, if it is written wages, that means you are going to include it inside COE, right? And then social security schemes by this, like the pension, the PF, it can be the gratuity and the pension provision. These are the benefit. Over here, they are the security. It's like I did work in this company for 6 years. After this, I got retired and I'll be getting the pension, right? So that doesn't mean that I am working and I'm getting money. Now I'm not working with the company, but still that's my security, which my company is providing, so that even after my retirement, I am not like who will give me money, how I will survive, right? So this is basically the employee. So what employee is, they get 3 types of things: wages and salary in cash, or wages and salary in kind, or the social security schemes contributed by this, which is SSC, right? So over here, included contribution of income. So sometimes they can give you like this social security contribution, or they will give you like this casualty insurance, provident fund. So this is all which is coming under COE, right? So when you will add all this, then it will make your COE. Clear? But in case COE is given to you and other things are given to you, then you will not take these things. You will only write COE entry. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, now second one was rent. So you know that landlords are the tenants, they have to pay rent. Royalty is basically received by the landlord for granting a leasing right to the subsoil asset, right? So that is royalty. I have a lot of lands over there, people are working and they are giving me the amount whichever is receivable, right? Then interest is basically the interest which I get from the production unit. It can be anything, right? Now remember one thing, interest payment. It may interest include interest payment. It can be imputed or the actual one. Okay. Now very important, profit, right? So profit is, it's a residual factor of payment of production owner. Basically, whatever I am producing, from that I'll be getting the profit, right? So over here, these are the things. So if profit includes this, corporation tax, dividend, or retained earning, or which is also known as undistributed profit. So sometimes they give you the entry of profit, right? But sometimes they give you corporate tax and dividend only. So you're going to add these two, that will make your profit. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what was the next factor? It was mixed income by the day. So most of the time, mixed income is given to you, right? So mixed income is given you MI. So you don't need to worry over here. Sometimes it's like mixed income of a self-employed purpose. You don't have to wait over here, right? So it will be most of the time other entries, other names are not given for mixed income. It is always given to you like this mixed income. Okay. So now what is the formula? Now how we are going to calculate it? What I told you, you have to first you have to calculate national income. So first you will calculate this NDP at FC, which is COE plus rent and royalty plus interest payment plus this and this. Okay, clear? There is another term used in the factor payment is OS. It is defined as the sum of rent and royalty. So this is rent and royalty is also represented by OS. Clear? Right? So this formula can be there or this formula can be there. Right? Rent and royalty, instead of writing rent and royalty, they're writing operating surplus. Clear? So these are the two formulas. So it can be rent and royalty or it can be operating surplus. Operating surplus includes rent and royalty. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you have to do in this chapter, you have to calculate national income. But the very first step is you will calculate NDP at FC. Now you got NDP at FC. Can you make it NNP at FC?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? What you have to change, this D you have to make N. So you will add NFI. Done. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So over here you will make notes. Okay. First of all, you will write this income distribution method. Okay. You don't see over here also they have just written this OS, rent and royalty, interest and all that. Right? So this is the formula basically, rent and royalty, interest and profit. All this, instead of this you can write it like this or you can just simply write OS. So first you will write this income distribution method. Okay. So in this method we first income, okay, no need to write all this because nobody is going to ask you. So you will first write this income method, then write the formula NDP at FC, just write this formula or this formula, right? Both are the same thing, right? And then after this, first step is calculate NDP at FC, right? And then second step is calculate NNP at FC. Clear? So this is the formula which you have to learn by heart. And after that, once you are done with this, what you will do? You will write this. COE, it includes wages and salary in cash. If you want to write example like included daily, weekly, you can write example. No need to write the definitions. Wages and salaries in kind, this, vehicles and all that. Right? Social security contribution by the employer, just write this. Casualty insurance, provident fund, because these words will come instead of this. Okay? Then rent, you know, no need to write anything. Royalty, you know, right? Interest, you know. But for profit, you will write this formula. That profit includes this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first write this. Just write the heading. Calculation of national income through income method. Step 1. Calculate NDP at FC. Write the formula or write this. Okay, or you can make a bar over here only. Just make a bar over here only. Including things, and over here write operating surplus. Clear? Sometimes they ask you to calculate only OS. So at that time you should know that you have to only add all this thing and you will get OS. Clear? And then step 2, that you have to calculate NDP at FC. And how to calculate NNP at FC? Just by adding NFI. Okay. Quickly write it down, then I'll scroll it up. Then you will write all the entries given in COE and all that, and then we will solve one question, so you will get a better idea. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so over here, just write first COE, compensation of employee, and just write the definition because this is important. Okay, and then write what the components are, wages and salary. If you want to write the examples, just write the example for here which you feel like you cannot recall. If, for example, provident fund is given, so you will be get confused like, ma'am, what is this? This is basically the social security contribution. Okay, so whatever you feel like that you should write down and you will forget it, just write that. No need to write the entire so. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Well done.
Ma'am, what are subsoil assets?
Sorry,
Ma'am, what are subsoil assets?
where is
Given
written?
royalty.
Right. Okay. Subsoil asset related to land, right? For example, I have this much of land and in this I have given a portion. So that is subsoil related to land. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Both of you done?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, Vanisha, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Now you just have to write the profit part. Okay, just write this profit is corporation tax, dividend, and the retained earning / undistributed profit. Okay. Then mixed income is, mixed income is basically the self-employed one. Then we'll do questions.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. So let's just start. Okay, so let's just start questions. So then after that, we will be doing some precautions as well. Okay, this one over here, right? You have to calculate NDP at FC. So that means you don't have to calculate an NP at FC. You will be skipping the second part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Done, ma'am.
Both of you done?
Ma'am, test.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, both of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you got 5600?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you? No? Vanisha got something different?
No, ma'am, I got the same.
Okay. Now coming to this one. Okay. So over here you have to think about something. I just need to tell you before starting. Okay, this. Just make a box and write this. Okay. NDP at FC sometimes, okay, is the sum of income from domestic product occurring to private sector and income from domestic product occurring at the government sector. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly write it down.
Ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the question. This is the question. Okay. So over here, I think you know what to do. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to calculate national income. So first you will calculate NDP at FC. So you know how to calculate, then you will do the other. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Both of you done? No?
I'm done.
Okay. Both of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is your national income? It's 99,000, 9 lakh 90,000. Sorry, 100,000, 10,000, 99,000.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Both of you? No?
Yes, sir.
So now this is the question. You have to calculate national income. Okay?
Okay. Done, ma'am.
Both of you done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you got this 10750 and NPA test,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And NDPA
Yes,
test is 1,800, right? Okay. So, okay, I'll just give this. Okay, so I'm just giving you one question. You will take the screenshot for that question and you will do as a home. Okay, this question, take the screenshot.
Done.
Done, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.